Hi everyone! Today, I'll show you how to connect N8 to Microsoft services like Outlook or OneDrive using the Microsoft Graph API via Azure. First, head over to the Azure portal. If you already have an account, just sign in. There are two ways to do this: the quick standard OAuth way and the more advanced custom application method via Microsoft Azure. We are going to start by going to portal.azure.com. This is the control center where we will grant N8 permission to access your emails and files. If you already have a Microsoft account, go ahead and sign in here. If you don't have an Azure account yet, you will need to create one. Don't worry, it is free to start. Microsoft offers a free tier, which includes $200 of credit for the first 30 days, and many services remain free forever. Step 1. Fill in your country, name, and contact email. Step 2. You will need to verify your identity by phone. They will send you a text message with a code. If you remplace this information and confirm, here's exactly what will happen next. First, enter your address. Address line 1. City. Postal code. After filling the form, scroll down and check the required boxes to accept the terms. When you click Next to confirm, Step 3. The part that scares people, the credit card. Microsoft requires this for identity verification to prevent bots. As long as you stick to the free services, which we are doing today, you won't be charged. Once you've validated everything, agree to the terms and click Sign Up. It might take a few seconds to set up your environment. Okay, we are in. Welcome to the Microsoft Azure dashboard. It can look a bit overwhelming with all these icons, but we only need one specific service today. You can close the Quick Start tour if it pops up. We are looking for the service that manages identities and permissions. It used to be called Active Directory, but Microsoft recently renamed it to Microsoft Entra ID. You can find it in the list of services, or the easiest way is simply to use the search bar at the top and type Entra. Click on Microsoft Entra ID. This takes you to the overview page of your organization. Before we create the app, take a look at the basic information section here. You see that Tenant ID? That represents your specific organization within Microsoft. We will likely need this later, so keep this page in mind. Now, look at the menu on the left sidebar. We need to register n8n as an official application allowed to talk to your account. Click on App Registrations. Here, give it a meaningful name like n8n-automation v1. Supported account types. This is crucial. If you are just using this for yourself or your company, choose Accounts in this organizational directory only. However, if you are using a personal Outlook account like Hotmail or Outlook.com, select the third option, Accounts in any organizational directory and personal Microsoft accounts. Redirect URI. Select Web from the dropdown. Now, you need to paste the callback URL from n8n here. Usually, it looks like http://your-nn-instance/rest-003-2-callback. Click Register to create the app. Success! Our application is created. We are now on the app's overview page. This is where the magic numbers are. You need to copy two things to a notepad or directly into n8n. The application client ID, this is the username for your bot. The directory tenant ID, this is the ID for your organization. If you are using the standard Microsoft Outlook node in n8n, these are the IDs you will use in the credential setup. Now, let's switch over to n8n to see how this connects. I have a simple workflow here with a schedule trigger and a send email node using Outlook. If you don't want to deal with custom secrets, n8n has a built-in simplified connection. In the Credentials dropdown, select Create New. You can simply click the big Connect My Account button. Since we are already logged into our browser, a pop-up appears. Microsoft asks, "Do you trust n8n?" Click Yes or Accept. And that's it. You can see the message, Connection Successful. Let's verify this actually works. I've set up the node to send a test email to my Gmail account. I click Execute Node. And successful. Let's check my Gmail inbox. Refresh. There it is. Daily interview reminder. So, the quick connection works perfectly for sending emails. Now, let's go back to Azure. If the quick connection doesn't work for you, or if you need a service principal connection, which runs without you being logged in, you need a client secret. In your app registration menu, go to Certificates and Secrets. Click Plus New Client Secret. Description, n8-key. Expires, choose 6 months or 12 months. Click Add. Pay close attention here. You see the column labeled Value? You must copy this string of characters right now. Once you refresh this page or leave it, Microsoft will hide this value forever for security reasons, and you'll have to create a new one. So, copy the value, not the secret ID, the value, and save it. Now open n8 and create a new workflow. In the Nodes panel, search for Microsoft Outlook and add the Outlook node. Click Add New Credential and select Microsoft Outlook OAuth2 API. Paste your client ID, then paste the client secret value, not the secret ID. Click Connect, complete the authorization window, and then click Save. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more automation tutorials. See you in the next one.